I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I turn off my alarm and get up. I turn off my alarm and get up. I make my bed before leaving my room. I make my bed before leaving my room. I open the window to get some fresh air. I open the window to get some fresh air. I go to the bathroom and wash my face. I go to the bathroom and wash my face. I brush my teeth carefully. I brush my teeth carefully. I take a warm shower. I take a warm shower. I get dressed for the day. I get dressed for the day. I comb my hair and look in the mirror. I comb my hair and look in the mirror. I make a simple breakfast. I make a simple breakfast. I eat breakfast with a cup of coffee. I eat breakfast with a cup of coffee. I check my phone for new messages. I check my phone for new messages. I leave the house and lock the door. I leave the house and lock the door. I go to work by car. I go to work by car. I start working as soon as I arrive. I start working as soon as I arrive. I have lunch with my coworkers. I have lunch with my coworkers. I finish my work in the afternoon. I finish my work in the afternoon. I go back home after work. I go back home after work. I change into comfortable clothes. I change into comfortable clothes. I cook dinner for myself. I cook dinner for myself. I eat dinner and relax for a while. I eat dinner and relax for a while. I watch TV or read a book. I watch TV or read a book. I brush my teeth before bed. I brush my teeth before bed. I turn off the lights and get into bed. I turn off the lights and get into bed. I fall asleep after a long day. I fall asleep after a long day.